Good morning everyone. So for today's video, we are going to tackle about the different benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. So the 21st century is characterized by rapid technological advancement, and multimedia and information and communication technologies, or also known as ICT, have become integral parts of modern life. These technologies offer numerous benefits across various sectors, including education, communication, entertainment, and business. So here are some of the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. So first, we have enhanced learning experience. Multimedia and ICT have revolutionized education, providing students with interactive and engaging experience. Multimedia learning leverage the brain ability to connect verbal and visual representation of content, leading to a deeper understanding of concept. In addition, multimedia platforms, whether use of images, videos, and animations, stimulates the brain, increasing students' attention and retention. This in turn enhances problem-solving skills. Furthermore, multimedia allows students to explore places they might never visit in person, fostering a sense of global awareness and understanding. Lastly, we have engaging multimedia platform can boost students' excitement and concentration, leading to a more positive learning environment. Now, let's proceed to the enhanced communication and collaboration. ICT have significantly improved communication and collaboration, bridging geographical barriers and enabling real-time interaction. In addition, ICT tools like email, video conferencing, and instant messaging have made communication faster and more efficient. Also, ICT facilitate collaboration on projects across national boundaries, enabling individuals to work together regardless of their location. So, that's all. Thank you.